Hello, here's a review on scientific notation. When you're dealing with scientific notation is basically simply a way to rewrite very large numbers or smaller numbers, very extremely smaller numbers, in a way that's easier to deal with. For example, let's start with the number 300100456 Put some commas here. Very large number. Alright, we got hundreds, we got thousands, we got millions, we got billions. This is 3 billion, 1 million, 4,568. Well, I want to write this using scientific notation. Well, the best way to do this is to write this, move your decimal to a place so this number is between 1 and 10. Basically, I want to move my decimal to here. So I'm going to make this 3 point. I wouldn't make this such a large number, but technically, without rounding, I'm going to write out all of these values times 10 to the what power? What can I multiply this value by to get to 3 billion? Well, just count decimals. Just start here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 to the ninth power. And this is using scientific notation. If we had a smaller number, for example, 0.00000143, same concept, only difference is we're going to move the decimal in the opposite direction. So to do this, I will still want to make this number between 1 and 10. So my decimal is going to go here, and I'm going to count. But this time, instead of having a positive exponent, you're going to have a negative exponent. So it's going to be 1.43 times 10 to the negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 power. And this is basically using your exponent rules. This is like going 1.43 divided by 10 to the fifth power, which would give you this particular value. Okay, here's another example. Now we have 5.2 times 10 to the negative 3. Remember, this is a small number, because if I move this 1, 2, 3 places to the left, the actual value is 0.005.52. And this particular number is an extremely large number. I'm just going to move it 2 places to the right. That would be about, what's that, 160? Well, the way you simplify this, you don't have to change it to an actual number to divide. You could change it to the standard number here and just divide it, or you can just use your exponent rules, which is probably easier, and divide it piece by piece. 5.2 divided by 1.6, simplify that first. So put that in your calculator. Type in 5.2 divided by 1.6, and I get 3.25. And now you're going to divide 10 to the negative 3 divided by 2. Well, there you just use your exponent rules. So it's going to be 10 to the negative 3 minus 2. What's 10 to the negative 3 minus 2? Well, that's going to be 10 to the negative 5 power. There's your solution. And you do the same thing. It's really, you're just using your exponent rules to simplify this. It's really all there is to it with scientific notation. Just be careful. Just take your time and do a great job. Enjoy the math.